Guten Morgen, Ollie. Myself, Ashu Sharma. I welcome you all in series of German language, and today we will see exercise on A1 level. Before this, I have uploaded total 44 videos on German language, so you may practice over there while watching those videos, and definitely it will help you in preparation of A1 certification at German. So we start with this exercise. Here we have to fill these articles there, the, oder, das. So there stands for the also, and thus also. They are generally used with masculine, the with feminine, and thus with neutral. But yes, there are certain exceptions, so we have to remember those exceptions. Let's start with this exercise. The first one is house. House means house, and the article we will use over here is thus. So thus house, thus house. Next one is auto. Auto stands for automobile, automobile. So here we have this again, thus auto, thus auto. Next one is katse, katse, sometimes known as ketsa, ketsa. Ketsa means cat, and here we will use the, the ketsa, the katse. So the katse means the cat. Next one is hund. Hund, it means that hund means that a dog, and we generally use with hund is there, there, the dog. Next is shrunk, shrunk. Shrunk means cabinet. So shrunk means cabinet, and we use again there shrunk means the cabinet. Tish is table. So here we also use their table, the table. Cecil, Cecil, Cecil means armchair, armchair. So here we use there again, there Cecil. Next is lump. So lump means lamp, and with this we use the lamp. So book again, it's a book. So here we use this book, book, the book. Tussar means generally when we use with tussar is cup, for cup, and here we use article the tussar, the cup, glass. Again, it's a glass. So here with this we use this glass, and tailor, tailor. So tailor means plate, and with plate we have this their tailor, their tailor means plate, the plate. Base, VASE, vase, was, was, was. So here we use article the was. Next is flushing, flushing. Flushing means that hotel. Hotel you generally use with this. So the articles comes the flushing. Next one is regal, shelf. Regal means shelf, and here we use this regal, shelf. Next is handy. Handy means generally mobile. In general, in German, we say it's a mobile. So here we use this handy, this handy. Next one is we have computer, computer. So computer is again very important and general use term is their computer, their computer. Photo, photo. So photo we use this photo. And next is vaum. Vaum means tree. So with vaum we use their vaum, tree. Class is for the class. So here we use the class. Kind, kind is for child, small child. We use the kind. So it treats like a neutral at that time. We can't say male or female once we see kind. So generally the skinned. And then next one is, it's a very funny, Kugelschreiber. Kugelschreiber is pen. So Kugelschreiber is a pen. So here we use uh, this, and sometimes we use there Kugelschreiber. Next one is Garten. Garten is generally for garden, and with this we use there Garten. Then Ragen, it's a reggae, so it's for the rain, and we use this there Regen, and Sona for sun. So here we have D Son. So it's a sun. So it's very simple exercise that we have done here, and important that we should remember that vocabulary meaning as well and the uses of these articles. I have covered rules where we have to put and what are the exceptions with there, the, and this. So you have to see that playlist that belongs to articles portion. This is dedicated for the exercise portion, and definitely you will get benefit of preparation of A1 certification. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like such videos, please subscribe my channel, and please send me suggestions so that I may improve day by day. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Guten Tag.